Secretary of Finance Trade and the Economy Petal-Ann Roberts has accused Finance Minister Colm Imbert of refusing to release funds from an insurance facility to cover costs related to Hurricane Beryl in July. Roberts made these remarks during her maiden plenary contribution in the House while debating a bill urging the central government to allocate 5.8% of the national budget to the THA. More in this report from Kandace Jackson.
Despite being spared the worst, Hurricane Beryl caused $2.5 million in damages to Tobago. The central government holds two policies with the Caribbean Catastrophe Risk Insurance Facility, CCRIF, one for Trinidad and one for Tobago, to cover natural disaster damages. Tobago has benefited from this facility at least 3 times since 2019. However, Finance Secretary Petal-Ann Roberts now accuses Finance Minister Colm Imbert of denying Tobago access to the facility on this occasion.
I said, Minister, how can Tobago access this funding? And the minister's response was, you don't pay the premium, you ain't getting no payout.
Roberts noted that this is just one example of how the central government denies the THA its rightful funding. She explained that while a specific figure is quoted in the budget, it has not reflected the final amount received by the THA over the past 7 years.
The cuts to the allocation takes place, as I said, on the last day without any consultation with the THA, without any discussion, and without any notification.
Roberts explained that this shortfall often leaves the THA unable to meet its commitments to contractors, as the funds received are less than initially planned, forcing them to carry liabilities into the next fiscal year. Additionally, she noted that the Assembly continues to receive its allocations every 2 months, followed by a 1-month payout, which she claims is against the law.
And because we are receiving our allocations late, it's not according to the law, it's not quarterly or block in advance, we in the THA have to now absorb an expense called overdraft interest.
Roberts noted that overdraft fees are never accounted for in annual budgetary allocations, meaning that when the THA receives funding, these fees must be deducted, further restricting its budget. She also pointed out that aside from the national budget reading in October, the central government failed to provide the THA with its minimum of 4.03% in supplemental funding. This was evident in July when Finance Minister Colm Imbert increased the national budget by $2.3 billion during the mid-year review.
And if you multiply that by 4.3%, we should have really gotten $100.1 million in the fiscal mid-year review. You know how much we received? $50 million for the oil spill.
Roberts demanded that the central government grant the THA the total amount owed and a 5.8% portion of the national budget to help clear these debts. Kandace Jackson, Tobago Updates, Television News.